Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you reset network settings on iPhone 15. So in order to reset your network settings, you need to follow these steps. So first thing first, you want to make sure to open up your settings on your iPhone. After which, scroll down to the settings section and go to Generals tab. So when you go to the Generals tab, you could go ahead and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, or else you could also do it as Reset or Reset Network Settings. So when you actually click on these options, this will remove all the saved Wi-Fi password, VPN settings, and cellular data settings. You will need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password and reconnect your preferred network after the reset. So you could just go ahead and enter in your passcode and click on Reset Network Settings to confirm it. And that is how it's going to work. And that's the way you could reset network settings on iPhone 15. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.